Hey, that was 2 within 10 seconds.
This is what they did last night, and then all of a sudden they go into a really good
how long this bathroom break was? 4 minutes? 30 minutes.
Just making sure they get the done. So
We get 15 minutes break.
I want to see another one of those backfire ones.
Actually, the last night when I watched it last night, there were tons of fun.
Oh, there you go. Here you
Now they're
go.
done! What the hell?
I already said I could figure out something they were. And I think if I don't
Give me some color! I want color!
There you go. I think that boat is just going to blow up now.
It's all white.
Relax,
I know.
it's so boring, eh?
Oh, that's color. That color was.
Shit! Oh! YouTube! Oh my God! Where are you right now? What now? That's right there. A couple of Alaska. Oh, and the white ones were.
That was the final one. There goes the boat. It's on the water.
Like, if the fog is...
Maybe it looks better from the other side. Oh! Oh!
I'm waiting for that hole.
It'll get better. I promise it'll get better. It will, trust me. Alex, stop talking to your mom. Come on.
It's one of my girlfriend now.
No, whatever, it's your mom.
Oh, look at that! Look at that!
That's crazy.
It's from the water. Oh! I want that gun. Now we're talking.
Very nice.
Look, there you go.
Now we gotta get here's the finale, everybody! My tax dollars right here! Hey, Jack! Complaining! Honestly, I bet you that's what happened. So smart.
Yeah, this is what they did last night. I know this feels pretty consistent, Alex. Anybody else feel precipitation? Anybody?
It's not a shower though.
No, it's like a light shower.
Oh, come on.
Yeah! This rain right now.
No, rain has to be over 20 minutes. This is a light shower.
Yeah, look, it's coming from this direction.
Oh, look,
It can't possibly be the result of fireworks.
Thank you a lot.
Yeah, no, you definitely lucked in on that one. James got the forecast. You know what?
I don't think it's a shower though.
Who's the judge? I thought Dwayne was the judge.
The win, you lost the win.
I don't think so, buddy.
You know what? The important thing is you won and you lost.
Went grand for banks.